Yo and hello. How's everyone hanging? I guess yeah, do a quick update on Bitcoin, something that's been catching my eye, right? Good old Bitcoin. So basically, if you look at the way that Bitcoin had moved before that break, which I went over last time and kind of was speculating before it happened, it was a long period of consolidation. Now the question is, this is the 28th of June that Bitcoin has been again in another type of consolidation for some time. This was something that, I was saying that it's going to be something about 22, 20, 20, around about 20,000 range, and that's exactly what's been happening. And this is comports to like this long-term level, long way in the past, right? So late 2020. And the thing is that this level isn't as strong as these levels at 30,000, which is why it moved a long time, relatively speaking, at the 30,000 level. It's been about only a couple of weeks that it's been at 20,000. And now the question is, it can go up, and like I said before in my videos, that also can go down. Again, the bias is that, but that's my bias. You can do whatever you want. But obviously, you're your own man or woman who's watching this. This can easily go down or go up, but given that it's a bear market and risk is off, generally the expectation, my bias is probably going to head to the downside pretty soon if it keeps on acting like this, because this is not it's not good price action because it hasn't kept track with the general market, right? The market has bounced since like the what was that, Monday. Let's go back to what that SPX was doing. That was on, let's look at the daily. Okay, so since like 17th of this month, so the last 2 weeks, and if you look at Bitcoin, um, last 2 weeks, it has not participated with the market at all, which is very bad news. This is, like I said before, like Nasdaq on crack, and if it hasn't moved, while the market's moving, it's not a good sign. Friday, it actually moved down, whereas Friday the market went up quite a bit. What was that, like close to 3 points, 3%, 3 points versus 3%, a big difference. But anyway, so yeah, something to look around, and again, so therefore, my uh, the speculation, at least in my bias, is that it's still to the downside, and if it breaks down, like I said before, the next one down is going to be right about like 12,000 or so to and below that is about 7.5 or something like that. Because then we're hitting up like long-term consolidation, and so then we might find some support there. And I said before last time, if it does go up, we're kind of going back to like that 28,000 level or so before we hit some like strong resistance, and then price break at about 20, almost 29,000. So, or gap, price gap. Oh no, sorry, 27 and a half, and then 28, effectively close to 29. Okay, whatever, 29, let's just say. Anyway, again, just I figured just do a quick update because the market on Bitcoin is still getting like really, really tight. And generally speaking, when it gets tight, the market is gearing up to go one or the other. So I'll leave it at that right now, and hopefully let's see what happens in the future.